Alright, so this is a review for Miku. I'm in Toronto. This is a sushi place. And check this out. This is their sushi platter. Wow, really neat looking. And let's do a quick taste test. Alright, so this is their blowtorch salmon. We're gonna do a quick taste test here. Wow, very nice. Okay. It's not bad. It has a pretty neat taste. It also has like a mayonnaise top, so but flavor wise, pretty good. Definitely check out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.